Welcome to Enventions, the YouTube channel where we explore the latest and most innovative gadgets and inventions. Today, we're diving into the world of aerial photography. The Hover Camera X1 is a pocket-sized self-flying camera that was introduced by 00 Robotics. The Hover Camera X1 was designed to be a compact and portable drone equipped with advanced features that make it easy for users to capture aerial photos and videos. Its unique feature is the ability to fly autonomously, allowing users to capture moments from unique perspectives without having to operate the drone manually. Here are some key features of the Hover Camera X1. Design. The Hover Camera X1 is designed to be foldable and compact, making it easy to carry in your pocket or a small bag. It has a protective carbon fiber enclosure to ensure safety during flight. Autonomous flight. The drone is equipped with computer vision and artificial intelligence technology, allowing it to track and follow subjects automatically. It uses face and body detection algorithms to keep the subject in the frame. The X1 features a high-resolution camera capable of capturing 4K videos and 13-megapixel photos. It has electronic image stabilization to ensure smooth footage. Users can control the drone's movement and take photos or videos using simple hand gestures. This makes it a user-friendly device, especially for those who are new to drones. The X1 has a built-in rechargeable battery that provides a flight time of around 10 minutes. The battery is removable, so you can carry spare batteries for extended flight sessions. The drone can connect to your smartphone via Wi-Fi, allowing you to view the live feed from the camera and control the drone using a dedicated app. It's worth noting that technology in the drone industry advances quickly. Don't miss out on capturing life's most incredible moments from a unique perspective. Back the Hover Camera X1 on Indiegogo today and be one of the first to experience the magic of this pocket-sized self-flying camera.